any of her retreats. I've been on 5 and each one is better than the last. Now I don't even read the itinerary anymore because I don't need to. I know it's going to be great. She is like a tour guide rather than a yoga teacher, although she does teach some yoga. But you don't feel like you've spent your day doing yoga. It's just sort of like you get your day going and you get your exercise and your stretch going, and then you get your adventure going and you have the best time. And enough to go on 5 retreats. The most memorable retreat, the hotels are like 5-star hotels. Like, what can I say? The most amazing hotels with the most amazing food selection from all over the world. But she takes care of us like we're her little kitties. And that's what I love about her.
Most fabulous trips. I went to Vietnam with her a few years ago and it was magical. We had such an incredible group of people. We all bonded. We saw beautiful sights, these caves and gorgeous water and a little bit of fun and flair and evenings out and beautiful culture during the day. It was magical. Check it out.